Andhra Pradesh. The university is offering B.Sc AI course, which is a front-runner course, which is well equipped with industrial orientation as well as the current contemporary needs, where the student will be having the background knowledge of AI, machine learning, as well as the database, which forms the core of the program. Apart from that, the department headed by Dr. Konthu Kotaya is having a lot of collaborations with multiple industries, and where the student would be having the internship as well as project options.
The Department of Computer Science is one of the flagship department of the university. This department offers a 4-year UG program in B.Sc Artificial Intelligence. The department is well equipped with sophisticated infrastructure, very good faculty, experienced staff, and has got a continuous interaction with the university, with the industry experts. All through the program, the students undergo internship, placements, placement-related activities, and the culmination of the program happens in very good placement for the students in the respective industries.
The Department of Computer Science at Central Tribal University of Andhra Pradesh is dedicated to deliver quality education in IT through cutting-edge research and practical training in emerging IT and ICT technologies. Our department is being visited by various IT companies like Factory Software Services Private Limited, Acqueda, Quantum AI Systems, Big Data Matica, Indian Servers, and Brainwave Vision for conducting the training programs and to offer the internship opportunities to make our students industry ready at the early stage.
The Central Library at CTUAP serves as the intellectual hub of the university. 17,000 plus books and
13,000 plus e-journals, magazines across disciplines, and access to more than 1 crore research articles.
At CTUAP, student welfare is a priority. The Dean Student Welfare oversees services provided academic, personal, emotional, and financial support.
Our digital classrooms enhances learning through advanced tools like interactive cameras, touchscreen digital podium, 55-inch smart TVs, and wired or wireless microphones.
We also provide a safe and reliable transport facility connecting the campus with various parts of Vijayanagram and surrounding areas. Our computer lab is equipped with 100 high-performance computers, which is supported by Wi-Fi connection under LAN connectivity.
Our digital seminar hall is designed for academic event, guest lecture and conferences. In advanced audio-visual equipment and 158 into 96 inches LED screen with a digital podium.
We also increase physical wellness through our sport facility, which includes area for indoor and outdoor games, promoting healthy and active lifestyles.
Audio-visual production lab, complete with a professional green room, offers students practical experience in media creation and digital storytelling.
A comfortable and social environment for students.
Counseling services are available with trained professionals to provide emotional support and career guidance.
College provides 24/7 high-speed internet through both LAN and Wi-Fi, powered by Cisco networking equipment, ensuring
modern facilities like business TV and CCTV and a rotating camera for an engaging experience.
Hello one and all, myself Ganesh Nagdode and founder and CEO of Brain Vision Solutions India Private Limited from Hyderabad. It's really a privilege to connect Department of Computer Science of Central Tribal University, Andhra Pradesh. So we are happy to empowering students through workshops, hackathons, and as well as internships. And we are organizing some campus drives also. So definitely we really thanks to all the team members of this university. Thank you so much.
Your future begins with the right opportunity. Discover your potential, embrace innovation, and build tomorrow with us.
Join the Department of Computer Science. Together, let us innovate, inspire, and shape the future through knowledge, technology, and excellence.
Where your journey toward excellence begins.
We look forward to welcoming you to our campus.
What are you waiting for?
Join us.